Julian Meir from Automated Marking, coming to you with another technical tutorial. What I want to go through today is a very simple procedure of how to properly install and remove cartridges from all of our cartridge-based systems. So the first thing is, here's the cartridge. Beauty behind our systems is there's zero maintenance because this is your ink supply as well as your print head. So the first thing I'm going to show you is, here's the smart card, and here are the contacts that make connection with the pins inside of the printer. So you have the 4 pins here for the smart card, and then you have the additional pins here for the cartridge connection. And then at the back of the print system here, you can see there's a little black line back there. We have a patented click and print technology. All other printers that use cartridges on the market have a plastic clip that is a moving failure point. It tends to break quite easily. Ours is a metal cam lock. So basically the only way to damage the cartridge is if we rake this part of the cartridge across these pins, which can also damage the interior of the printer, the pen driver board, and those pins. So we want to start by putting the cartridge at this angle all the way at the front, and it's just going to drop into place, and then you're going to hear an audible snap, and that's properly inserting the cartridge. Now the same goes for removing it. You're going to just lift up here on the back, and you're going to rotate it up and out. What you do not want to do, and what can damage this part of the foil on the cartridge as well as these pins, is start at the back and rake the cartridge this way across the pins, or even starting midpoint. So again, very important that we don't rake the cartridge this way across the connecting pins. And I'm just going to show that one more time. So you're starting all the way at the front. You're going to feel it kind of get right into position there, and then you're going to hear that audible snap, and it's going to automatically recognize the cartridge, and you're going to get the green print lights that the cartridge has been recognized and you're ready to print. I want to show how to properly insert and remove a cartridge from a slightly different angle. So as you can see here, there's actually a little stair step at the front of the printer. And when you're inserting the cartridge, you can actually feel, as you're at the front, you can feel that little stair step. As long as you feel that when you're rotating the cartridge into place, it's going to go in perfectly every time. And that way you never risk raking the cartridge across the pins because you're already completely at the front of the cartridge pen stall. I'll show you that again. As you can see, it just snaps into place. You always want to hear that audible snap.